What is going on, everybody? Welcome to the channel today. You are in for a treat. We have a special delivery from New York City. We have an Aerofabb front splitter that we're gonna be installing on the Mk7 GTI. Now, this came with some special parts that I wasn't expecting.
Hey!
Hey!
Cars are a lifestyle, peep.
So we got our new surfboard in here. Actually, these are wheelie bars. I told everybody that these were wheelie bars. Nobody knew it was an Aerofabb front splitter. We are gonna be installing this. JR14 has already installed it on his car, so hopefully he can do it nice and easily. He says under an hour. JR brought his car. We've been doing a lot of fun stuff this weekend.
We're not sponsored by Dr. Pepper at all. I was just thirsty.
Oh.
My car. We definitely did it. Strong.
Jump on it, jump on it.
No, don't do
that.
Don't jump on it.
All right, guys, so I have some magic for you guys. We're gonna get this thing up in the air in 3, 2, and there you have it, magic. So we are gonna unbox this, see exactly what you get in a box with a Aerofabb splitter. We're gonna read the instructions because Rich says that is very important, that there's a lot of people out there not doing this by the instructions. It's taking them twice as long. So we are gonna set a timer. We're gonna see how fast JR14 can do this. Put all the pressure on him.
That's the only reason why I came here.
Here we go. All day, baby. Now, do you think there's gonna be any goodies, like little treats like last time?
Yum.
Yum, 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 yum. Just send it. Ah, there's a spider!
Come on, man, rip the box.
Damn!
You a man? Are you a man or a Muppet?
First thing you guys see is a nice taped down Aerofabb sticker, which the good news is, since I put mine on crooked stance last time, I can take it off and put this one on.
Gotta do it until the job is done.
Yes, that's the last thing. You act like you've done this before.
I know, right? Ooh.
It's all right. I feel like it's like Christmas Day. Like I'm sitting on the floor, and my mom's like looking at me, like, "Oh, what's he gonna think?" She's like, "Oh, I just got this car. I got this Aerofabb front splitter. What's he gonna think?" Ah! And I'm like ripping through it. Oh, you know what this is?
What is it?
This is a dog cone. I've been needing one of these. Thank you, Rich. My dog shed, so I just.
So honestly, as he continues to open the package, this is an arrow brace. This is actually what reinforces the splitter onto the bottom of the bumper. So make sure that it holds its rigidity at top speeds and high speeds. It is made out of a high density plastic. You guys have not seen my video on me folding.
Oh yeah, don't do that.
Why not?
It's gonna snap in half.
Ah.
It looks like this. Oh, this must be the spoiler extension.
Yes.
This is the spoiler extension. Oh my god, how ridiculous would this be?
Oh my god, yeah.
Oh, there's a little piece of sticky stuff over top of that. That's nice.
Oh, so this is a good thing. With the badge, it's recessed in. So it's all one smooth piece. So this is actually really good. He doesn't do the rivets anymore on the previous generation ones.
Oh, wood. We're gonna fight to the death. There can only be one GTI YouTuber. Oh. Cherry this time? Last time was blue rat. What's this? This is a pretty nice shirt. I should put this on. Oh man, that was sweet. That was a nice little magic. All right, guys, so let's look at the instruction. Rich told me to follow these step by step. All right, let's get this bumper off in 3, 2. I'm just kidding. Jay's gonna take it off. You know what you're doing? I feel like there's gonna be a big noise that I'm not gonna like.
Probably.
Ah! Oh, now I should just roll like that. Nobody will ever know.
More airflow.
More airflow.
For the boost.
For the boost.
For the boost, boys. There's a bunch of these. All these are pretty much. All right, on the real, these are all like T20s. There's a bunch of these that you have to take out. If you do not have Torx bits, they're all the same size too, so you only have to put them in order or anything like that.
People are gonna be like, I've never seen this side of JR14 before. It's always just him in his videos.
If you don't do that, you need to subscribe to the damn channel. You haven't seen me in that element before.
So what I've been doing lately is just having other GTI YouTubers come over and install parts in my cars.
Teddy Westside did say earlier today that you would not do this by yourself.
Are you serious?
Yep.
I knew you were coming, so I waited.
Yeah, Rich was just like, oh yeah, you're installing a split. I'm like, I am? JR14 is installing Magic's front splitter on his GTI. I don't know, Johnny. I don't know. The weather report says that the Project Mk7 will be down because there's 92,000 miles in it. No, the weather's always great because that car never has any problems.
Oh! Oh! Just send her home, guy. Oh! Oh my god. This looks scary. What's our official time? Oh, not good.
What is it?
Not good.
Are you serious?
All right, guys, so back to business here. Identify previous existing A-holes on underside of the bumper. Boom. All right, we're flying through this. And identify the A-holes. Now, step 4. Place the Aerofabb front splitter on underside of bumper using a 4mm hex and 10mm wrench. Install alignment hardware A, passing through bolt, splitter, and bumper holes. Tighten hardware. All right. Everybody says I don't do work on my own car, but look at me. Wrenching away.
Step rule number 4.
Installed and splitter secured onto the bumper on both ends with the A-bolts. Drill the remaining 14 holes in your bumper. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 14.
Is this a joke? This isn't Medic Jokester. We're serious. This is a serious channel. Step 6. Pull only the following fasteners from hardware.
Use your numbers.
And set aside. Whoops, I already kind of dumped them all out. Sorry, Rich.
Screw it in. It'll work.
There we go.
Friend.
Alright, so step 8. We're going to take hardware C and put them through the C holes. Now, I was wondering, where are the C holes? But then you look back at your quick reference, C holes. Alright, so step 9. We have just tightened these up, so we're moving on to step 9. Biggest thing, guys, make sure these are only hand tight so that you can lift this up and get the other spacers inside. Because if you tighten these down, there's going to be no shot of you getting these other spacers in. It's going to be a really big pain in the butt. So, on to step 9. We are on the last page, which is making me feel more hopeful. Yeah! Take hardware D and install it through D holes. We're going to install these right now. Right side up, and remove all lock nuts from holes. Are you kidding me?
Oh my lord.
All right, step 10 complete. Step 11. Actually, no, that was only 10.5. The other 0.5 of this is remove all lock nuts from holes. What'd you say?
Didn't know how to take the damn bumper off.
All right, now see, this goes in this way. Okay, JR14.
Talking to me like, I don't want to put it in the first place.
All right.
Until we find step 12.
Inspect all hardware. Okay, yeah. Then there's like a whole back page. It's like incognito. Thank you, sir. It's real easy. Get yourself an electric ratchet.
Feel nice.
Oh, that'll be nice.
All right, so step 12, which we completed off air, was inspect all hardware for tightness to complete front splitter installation. So now we're installing the bumper again. And then we're gonna be done, we're gonna drop it down, we're gonna get a, what do you call it, glamour shot, which is gonna be really hard, like you said, because the car's filthy. Anyways, let's tune into JR14. Oh. Nice.
Oh, he's slick with it.
Oh, this is what everybody comes for, just beating stuff back into place.
This is the only car that really doesn't have an issue with breaking clips.
I thought you were gonna say the old car that I don't care about, that I can just break clips.
You heard it from me.
You heard it here first, folks. Yeah, send her home. Give her the sauce. There you go.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. All right. Nice. All right, so now we're putting all the final bolts on. You guys can see it's on the car, but to get the full effect, it's gonna be on the ground. All right, round of applause for JR14. I'm telling you, I don't just invite people over here to install stuff in my car. I got dirty.
Nah, we literally set this up to hang out for a little bit, and we kind of
It's
collaborated
good.
to get this done.
He already knew how to do it. So that's like, I brought Teddy over because he did the spoiler extension.
He wasn't here.
Wasn't here. Didn't show up. He's like, man, I gotta like go home, work from home. He was sick. He was pretty sick.
No.
So what we're gonna do right now is get the glamour shot. Supposedly Tyler says. We're gonna lower this down, and then we're gonna see what it looks like. Get a genuine reaction here, and then we're gonna do the most important part. No, it's broke. Oh yeah. Oh.
Looking nice.
Nice.
Gnarly.
All right, so for everybody that stuck around this long to watch this video, I do appreciate it. Make sure you guys drop a comment, give me a thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, tell me what you guys think of the Aerofabb front splitter. Special thanks to Rich for sending this over. I will put a link to the website and his Instagram down below. Make sure to follow him, give him some love. Help out the guys that help out this channel, and we'll see you guys real soon. Peace. Oh!
Someone has to hold me.
All right, so hold on to this and bring it up to like your.
Battery's almost dead. No, definitely do not listen to him. Do not hold on to that.
All right,
That's the easiest way
this
to
is
fix
Medic
it.
Magic After Hours. You guys are in for a treat. We're gonna have JR14 on the Segway. You can do it. You just have to be confident and get both feet on quick. Just don't hit your head off like this edge. Here, come out to like the open area. Just push it. You have to be confident. Just jump on.
Do not listen to Roseanne.
I'm telling you, if you have one foot on, it's good. There you go. Oh, he's got it. Oh. That's what everybody does. They do the back and forth.
You didn't even tell me
Just
how to
leave-
operate.
You have, yeah. There you go. You got it. Now turn to the right. Turn to the right. Lean your body to the right. All right, there you go. You got it. You got it. You'll build confidence on it. I did the same thing.
Use your toes when you do it.
There you go. You got it. Just don't hit the Subaru. That's all I ask.